Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava with samosa sheets. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees F and melting 1 cup of butter in a small pan. Crush 2 cups of mixed nuts and toss with 1 tablespoon cinnamon and 1 teaspoon cardamom. Layer samosa sheets with butter, trimming edges as needed, then score into diamonds. Bake until golden and prepare syrup while the pastry cools. In this video, I will show how to make baklava with samosa sheets. Begin by brushing each sheet with melted butter, keeping about 12 sheets for the base layer. Add a thin nut layer, then repeat with 6 to 8 sheets between nut layers to control thickness. Maintain even pressure while stacking and use a sharp knife to score diamond shapes. Bake until the top is deeply golden and fragrant. In this video, I will show how to make baklava with samosa sheets. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in any kitchen without glare, and it fits easily on a crowded counter. If this video is helpful, subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make baklava with samosa sheets. Make a syrup of 1 cup honey, 1 cup sugar, and lemon juice, simmering until slightly thick. Once the pastry is out of the oven and still hot, pour the warm syrup slowly across the scored surface so it soaks into each cut. Let the dessert rest until the syrup is absorbed, then finish with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.